Hey there, and welcome to another video by Inner Gems. Have you ever caught yourself wondering what men really notice when they first see a woman? Is it your hair, your smile, or maybe something else? If you've been curious about what catches a man's eye right from the start, you're in the right place. Today we're revealing the top 10 things men notice first in a woman. Some of these might surprise you, so stick around to find out. Let's start with something that's often called the window to the soul, your eyes. For many men, the eyes are one of the first things they notice about a woman. Are they bright and full of life? Do they reveal your emotions or a sense of mystery? The color, shape, and especially the way you make eye contact can be captivating. Strong eye contact can create an instant connection and leave a lasting impression, so don't underestimate the power of your gaze. Next up, let's talk about your hair. Whether it's long and flowing, short and chic, or somewhere in between, men definitely notice your hair. It's not just about having a certain style, but how your hair complements your overall look and personality. Is it well kept, shiny and healthy looking? Whether you're rocking beachy waves, a sleek bob, an afro, or a simple ponytail, your hair can be a huge part of that first impression. Number 3, your smile. Yes, the smile, one of the most universally attractive features. A genuine smile can light up your whole face and make you instantly more approachable. But it's not just the smile itself that men notice, it's also your teeth. Are they clean and well cared for? A bright, healthy smile can make a world of difference. It shows that you take care of yourself and adds an extra layer of charm to your overall appearance. Number 4, physique. Let's talk about something a little more physical, your figure and posture. While every man has his own preferences when it comes to body type, what really stands out is how you carry yourself. A confident posture with your shoulders back and your head held high can make any figure look more attractive. It's not just about being a certain shape or size, it's about how comfortable and confident you are in your own skin. Men notice when a woman carries herself with poise and confidence. Number 5, your image. Now let's move on to your sense of style. Men often notice what a woman is wearing almost immediately. It's not about being decked out in the latest fashion trends or wearing expensive brands. It's about how well your outfit suits you and the occasion. And does your style reflect your personality? Is it put together and thoughtful? Whether you're in jeans and a t-shirt or a little black dress, your dress sense can say a lot about who you are and how you present yourself to the world. Next is number 6. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked but incredibly impactful, your voice and laughter. The tone of your voice, the way you speak and how you laugh can be very attractive to men. A soft, warm voice can be soothing and inviting, while a genuine laugh can light up a room. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. A pleasant voice and a contagious laugh can be absolutely magnetic. Number 7. All right. Let's address the elephant in the room, breasts and butts. Yes, these are two of the most noticeable physical features, and many men do pay attention to them. Some women put a little extra effort into accentuating these areas, but it's not just about size or shape, it's about how everything is proportioned and how you carry yourself. Confidence and comfort in your own body can make a huge difference. Remember, it's all about the whole package, not just individual parts. Number 8, your hands and nails. Believe it or not, men often notice your hands and nails. Are your hands well groomed with neat nails? Whether you prefer a natural look or love to rock bold nail colors, well-maintained hands can be a subtle yet important detail. It shows attention to detail and that you take pride in your appearance, even in the smaller things. Plus, hands can be incredibly expressive, adding to the overall impression you leave. Number 9, accessories. Now let's talk about those final touches, your shoes and accessories. Men do notice the little details, like whether your shoes complement your outfit or if you're wearing a statement piece of jewelry. Shoes can say a lot about your style and personality. Are they comfortable yet stylish? Practical yet fashionable? The right pair of shoes, along with a few well-chosen accessories, can tie your whole look together and leave a lasting impression. Last, but certainly not least, your attitude and confidence. This is probably the most important thing men notice in a woman. Confidence isn't about being the loudest or the most outgoing person in the room. It's about being comfortable with who you are and showing that through your actions. A positive attitude, kindness, and genuine confidence are incredibly attractive. Men are drawn to women who are sure of themselves, happy, and approachable. So remember, the best thing you can wear is your confidence. So there you have it. The first 10 things men notice in a woman. From your eyes to your shoes and everything in between, these are the things that catch a man's eye when he first meets you. But always remember, while these physical and superficial things might grab attention, it's who you are as a person that truly matters. Confidence, kindness, and being genuine are what leave a lasting impression. Well, that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what you think men notice first. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.